BioLPG for commercial heating, a sustainable alternative for off-grid sites. BioLPG is typically the easiest transition for businesses, as it's considered to be a drop-in solution. Its compatibility with existing LPG infrastructure and storage tanks means that it is generally compatible with existing LPG tanks, pipework, and combustion equipment. This is because BioLPG is chemically identical to standard propane. In many cases, businesses do not need to replace storage facilities or appliances. BioLPG also offers minimal operational disruption. Where LPG infrastructure is already installed, switching to BioLPG can be operationally straightforward because it is a drop-in fuel, meaning it is typically less disruptive than major plant replacement or full electrification works. The reliability and security of supply for critical off-grid sites is another factor. Supply resilience depends on supplier capability, regional logistics, contract structure, and the maturity of the BioLPG market. For sites dependent on heat for production, such as farms or industrial drying facilities, businesses should assess supply arrangements, storage capacity, and contingency planning before relying on BioLPG as a primary decarbonization measure. There are several strategic advantages to BioLPG compared to full electrification. Grid constraints and limitations of heat pumps means full electrification through heat pumps is not always the most practical option. Some rural or older properties may face electrical capacity constraints, high peak heat demand, distribution system limitations, or significant fabric upgrade requirements before heat pumps can perform well. The cost-effectiveness of retrofitting compared to major structural changes is another benefit. Where an LPG system already exists, BioLPG may offer a lower disruption retrofit pathway to reduce life cycle emissions compared to adapting a building for heat pumps. Also, BioLPG can function as a transitional lower carbon fuel as a pathway to zero emission. It may enable earlier emissions reduction for suitable off-grid sites while organizations plan longer-term building, plant, and energy system changes. To conclude, BioLPG can provide a practical lower-carbon option for some off-grid businesses seeking to reduce emissions without immediate replacement of existing LPG infrastructure. Advantages of BioLPG include compatibility with established LPG systems and the potential for meaningful life-cycle carbon savings, but its technical and commercial suitability should be assessed against alternatives. To receive the latest information on renewable technologies, legislation, and best practice, sign up to our free newsletter today through our website or by simply scanning the QR code.